If you're seeing the Monday.com error export failed message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix that can help you get your export working again. This is a common issue when Monday.com gets overloaded, the export is too large, or the page just needs a fresh reload. The good news is that you can usually solve it in just a couple of minutes without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Now let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. Sometimes the export fails because the session glitched, the browser timed out, or Monday.com just didn't complete the request properly. So go ahead and reload the page, then try the export again. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the temporary error and let the export process continue normally. If refreshing does not fix it, the next step is to reduce the export size. This is one of the most effective solutions, especially if you're working with a large board. Instead of exporting everything at once, try filtering the board so you only export the items you actually need. You can narrow the board by status, date, owner, or any other relevant filter that helps reduce the amount of data being exported. Another helpful option is to export fewer items or fewer columns. If your board has a lot of data, Monday.com may struggle to generate the file all at once. By trimming down the number of rows or removing unnecessary columns from the export, you reduce the load on the system and make the export much more likely to succeed. This is especially useful if the board includes lots of updates, attachments, or custom fields that may be slowing things down. After making those changes, try the export again and see if it completes successfully. If it works, you've confirmed that the problem was likely related to export size or page load issues. If you're still having trouble, it can also help to wait a moment and try again later, especially if Monday.com is experiencing temporary service strain. But in most cases, refreshing the page and reducing the export size will solve the Monday.com error export failed problem quickly. So to recap, first refresh the page, then reduce the export size by filtering the board or exporting fewer items or columns, and try the export again. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more Monday.com tips, fixes, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.